is especially nothing much, but I just want to clarify the issues which all lies that were focused by a few punch members. Don't think this poilenche press conference getla. With the documents I want to clarify each and everything to you all. So because of that I have called you all. Now to begin with, म्हाका एक सांगपाक टू स्टार्ट विथ एक पंचान म्हटलां की जे मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स हँडओवर केल्या 2 वर्सां जालीं आनी आजून पासून रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन जालो ना आनी फॉर्मुलेशन जालो ना म्हण. आय जस्ट वॉन्ट टू आन्सर वन थिंग. Although market was handed over in 2019 August, see, Amchi MLA was working very hard for the government policy, market policy, which says fair and just allocations of shops and shoppes to all the people, local people, okay. And he policy korpak no honorable late CM Sri Manohar Parrikar ji had drafted it by himself. And amchi MLA स्वतःच she used to always work ती ये कोणाला असो ते कोणाला down तिने ये rules and regulations formulate केले. And then in the month of July, on 24th of July, government had declared the drafted rules. Government had declared the drafted rules on 24th of July in 2020, and it was kept open for public domain. Jegite suggestions or anything, any discussions has to be done, was kept open. This was आमचे MLA चे सौदा उसको the first preference should be given to the local villagers. आमचे कुट्टाड्यांचो तो ते मार्केट आहा हे दवरले. So first preference will be always given to the villagers, then it will be going to Kelosin. पहिले प्रेफरन्स कुट्टाळकारांक आसतले, मागीर केलोसी, मागीर ते नेबरिंग विलेजेस ऑफ द कोर्तालीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. टू क्लेम इज ही क्लेम्स हिमसेल्फ टू बी अ सरपंच, एक्स सरपंच म्हण. ओके, सो म्हाका एकूच सांगपा जाय, जरी तर ही फील्स ताका दिसता तो सरपंच म्हणटा, ही शूड नो दॅट सरपंच हॅज गॉट, सरपंच म्हणजे आपणाक जाय तें करपा जायना. आय एम अ सरपंच म्हळ्यार म्हाका जाय तें करपा जायना. Nothing is my own here. We have to be answerable. आमी law and orders follow करपाकू जाय. Otherwise it will be like, you know, आमगे दादागिरी जाली, which I don't want to happen. At least not during my tenure. I just want to go everything, whatever is there, black and white on the paper. Okay. Now, another thing I want to tell is this market policy जी आहा आणि जी मॅडमीन लागून आयज आमचे मदें येयल्यात, it is not only for market, आमचे कोर्ताली market complex, it is for all over Goa, all the shops and shoppes whatever are there under the panchayat, which are coming under the panchayat for auction process, they have to follow this procedure. आणि जेन्ना आमी म्हणटाय ही गव्हर्मेंटान नोटिफाय केल्या, इट इज जस्ट नॉट की कोणी सरपंचान ओ कोण लेमॅनान ओ कोणी MLAन केलो ना. इट इज डन बाय लॉयर्स अँड ब्युरोक्रेट्स आणि सगळे करून, अँड देन इट इज गॉन अंडर लॉ वेटेज, आणि तेन्नाच इट इज बीन नोटिफायड सो दॅट henceforth nobody can challenge these law rules and regulations. And that's why we are very much thankful to the government for giving us this rules and regulations. I wish to inform the public in general कि Kortalim market that has been auctioning facilities available in the market complex are to be auctioned as per the rules and regulations of the notified policy. Okay, आता कित म्हण थोडे हें आहा की द मार्केट पॉलिसी थोडक्यान दोन मेन पॉयंट्स हांव सांगूंक सोदतां लोकांक, सो दॅट पीपल शूड बी अवेर की मार्केट पॉलिसी सेज दॅट देर शूड बी two types of committees. One is the authority committee who decides everything about the allocation of the shops, and in the authority committee there is the MLA, there is BDO, the panchayat secretary, sarpanch, deputy sarpanch, and 2 co-opted members. And amchi panchayatin jenna ami authority committee formation keli, then the 2 co-opted members we have opted one as a VDC convener and as a representative of the VDC, and eklo a layman we have co-opted, and everything is done, and everything is in record on the proceedings of the authority committee, whatever we have discussed and whatever we are going to start with. Ashkota sarpanchan ne kurpa jarlole, sarpanchan te kurpa jarlole. I just want to clear one thing. When I'm holding the responsibility as a sarpanch, I have to be very thorough with the documents. If I don't have any documents in hand, Aikolo Hobranche, I cannot run the administration. I just want to clear one thing. Aikolo Hobranche administration solna, je merin mujhe atin kitains asa, and now I have the RTI copy here. wherein which says the RTI copy सांगता की आमची पंचायतीन अजून पासून कसलीच bifurcation of the police station or कितेंच ना. So unless and until I have a paper with me, how can I talk? मुझे उलोवपाकूय जायना कांयच. And I feel law and order should be the responsibility of the home department आणि जे कितें they will take care of it.
तुमकां सद्या कांय येवना रिटर्न बिटर्न.
Yeah, I have the RTI here of the panchayat from the PIO of the panchayat saying till date we don't have anything in writing.